Namaskar student. Today we'll start how to perform cation anion in given inorganic salt. This practical in a GACP 14 mark practicals lab manual is allowed. Now here limited cation anion is there. In my previous video already how to find out this anion. Now in this lecture we'll see how to find out the cation. So generally our syllabus here cation are Pb2 plus Cu2 plus Zn2 plus Ba2 plus Sr2 plus Mg2 plus Mn2 plus Ni2 plus CO2 plus and NH4 plus. So one shortcut method to find out this cation. So first of all check the color of given salt. So by color of given salt you can easily get some idea about the presence of cation. For example, suppose given salt is blue color, Cu2 plus. If given salt is bright green, Ni2 plus. If reddish color, CO2 plus. Light pink, Mn2 plus. So here 4 salt, it is color, and remaining 6, it is colorless or white. This is NH4 plus, Pb2 plus, Zn2 plus, Ba2 plus, Sr2, and it is here colorless. Now, okay, so now which cation is there? Okay, find shortcut method. So first of all, prepare original solution. So in clean test tube, take approximately 3 to 4 gram unknown salt. Dissolve this salt in 15 to 20 ml distilled water. It is known as the OS, original solution. Now all tests can be performed using your OS. So first of all, in one clean test tube, take 1 or 2 ml OS, add additional reagent. If NH4 plus is there, you are getting brown PPT. Okay, the brown PPT, it is presence 0 group and 0 group NH4 plus. If no brown PPT, go to next test. Test second, same OS in a clean test tube. Add dilute HCl. If you are getting white PPT, this is group 1, means Pb2 plus. If you are not getting white PPT, then group 1 is absent. Then next is test 3. In a clean test tube, take 1 or 2 ml OS, add dilute HCl and H2S water. Now suppose you are getting black PPT. So it shows the group 2, presence of group 2, means Pb2 plus or Cu2 plus. Now see this Pb plus 2, sometimes it is performed in group 1, sometimes in group 2. So whether Pb2 plus or Cu2 plus, then check original color of salt. If original color of unknown salt is blue, Cu2 plus. If color of original salt white, it is Pb2 plus. If you are not getting black PPT, then go for next test, test 4. Then in clean test tube OS, mix with dilute NH4Cl, dilute NH4OH and H2S. So if white PPT is there, then Zn2 plus Mn2. Zn2 plus, it is group 4, not group 3. Okay, now whether Zn2 plus, yeah, Mn2 plus. So how to check? So now check color of original given salt. If it is white color, Zn2 plus. If pink color, Na2 plus. If we are not getting white PPT, okay, white PPT in test 4, go for next test, test 5. Here take same 1 or 2 ml original solution, add dilute NH4Cl, then dilute NH4OH and dilute ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate. And if they are getting white PPT, then group 5, in group 5, Ba2 plus or Sr2 plus. So how to differentiate Ba2 plus Sr2 plus? So here in other clean test tube, take OH, add potassium chromate K2CrO4. If yellow PPT, presence of Ba2 plus. If white PPT, presence of Sr2 plus. If we are not getting here white PPT, then this is the option. Then nothing from that. Last it is your Mg2 plus. But Mg2 plus also you can perform by this test. Last test. In clean test tube OS, then add dilute NH4Cl, NH4OH and Na2HPO4, disodium hydrogen phosphate. And if Mg2 plus is there, it is giving white PPT. So using this, it is a shortcut method. You can get idea, and then if you are getting some idea about the presence of cation in given unknown salt, then perform that confirmative test. And confirmative test, it is given in your lab menu. Okay, so this is the shortcut method how to find out cations. Okay, thank you for watching me.